If you want to block porn sites in Chrome to create a safer, family-friendly browsing environment, this tutorial will walk you step by step through 3 reliable methods. By the end, you'll have simple tools and settings in place that help protect yourself or your household from explicit content, whether you're a parent, educator, or just someone who wants to browse without stumbling into unwanted sites. Let's get right into it, starting with a method that works behind the scenes, using Chrome's built-in DNS settings. First, open Chrome and head to the Settings menu. From there, click on the Privacy and Security section, and then select Security. This part might seem a little tucked away, but take your time. Chrome packs a lot into these menus. Once you're in the security options, scroll down until you see the setting for Use Secure DNS. This is more than just privacy. It's like giving your browser a list telling it which roads are safe to travel. Choose with a custom provider. In the drop-down that appears, you'll find options for family-friendly providers, such as Clean Browsing Family Filter. These services will automatically block known explicit sites before they ever load, acting kind of like a bouncer at the door. If you prefer another provider, you can select it here as long as their primary focus is filtering adult material. When you've made your selection, be sure to restart your browser. This refreshes the connection so the new restrictions take effect. If you forget this step, your new settings might not work right away, so don't skip it. Next up, let's talk about SafeSearch, which steps in to filter out explicit results from your Google searches themselves. To enable it, go to your Google account settings, usually found by clicking your user icon or initials in the top right of any Google service. Look for the SafeSearch section and select Filter. This tells Google to quietly weed out explicit search results. So things like images, videos, and websites that are considered adult won't pop up unexpectedly. This is especially useful for younger users, or if you're searching in public or shared spaces. If you want an extra layer of protection, Chrome also offers a safe search option within its own settings under Search and Assistant. You can enable both for double coverage, especially if your household has multiple users with different Google accounts. For even more control, let's explore browser extensions. Head to the Chrome Web Store and search for a website blocker extension, for example, BlockSite. There are quite a few options available, and most have free versions that offer basic blocking features. Once you've found one you like, click Add to Chrome and follow the prompts to install it. After installation, you'll notice a small icon shows up at the top right corner of your browser. This is where the magic happens. Click it, and you'll usually be guided through an initial setup. Here's where you can add specific websites to your block list. Just type in the URLs of any sites you want to block. So if you're worried about certain sites not being caught by general filters, you can target them directly here. Extensions like BlockSite often provide options for password protection, scheduling, or monitoring blocked attempts, perfect for parents managing multiple users on one device. These 3 methods work together or independently, depending on the level of control you need. Remember, none of these systems are 100% foolproof, but layering 2 or all 3 methods creates a strong line of defense against adult content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.